Tired of feeling like your every click is being watched? Let's ditch the data trackers and make DuckDuckGo your default search engine for a truly private browsing experience. First up, Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, select Settings from the drop-down. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, find and click on Search Engine. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. Click the drop-down and select DuckDuckGo. That's it. Chrome will now use DuckDuckGo for all your searches from the address bar. Now for Firefox. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Options. In the left-hand panel of the Options page, click Search. You'll see a default search engine drop-down. Click the drop-down menu and choose DuckDuckGo. Firefox is now set. Your searches are private. Finally, Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the Services section at the bottom. Click on Address Bar and Search. Then, under Search Engine used in the address bar, select DuckDuckGo from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You've successfully made DuckDuckGo your default search engine across Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Enjoy safer, more private searching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy tips.